We just got off the first half, and I think Raven was just unreal in that first half.
Yeah, she played possessed. She played every facet of the game. She rebounded, she shot, she drove, she played great defense, came up with steals, and she just did everything.
She had like a cramp or something like that?
Yeah, she had a little cramp at the end there.
Yeah, so, I mean, you see somebody taking that. I didn't see what happened, but thankfully that's all it was. But yeah, she was possessed, and then everybody else was coming too. I think he shot 50-some% in the first half, and didn't get that many turnovers, but just they want to run with you, and I think
right.
You ran away from them.
Right. I thought that we really got into a great running game the first half when we were scoring out in transition a lot, and I think that really kind of propelled us. I think coming out of the gates and hitting those shots right at the beginning also gave us a lot of confidence, and then we kind of hit second gear and got up and down the court in transition.
And he held them down too. I mean, they're big players. They didn't have particular big games or anything like that. And they rotate, like you said. They rotate the
right. I thought, especially the first half defensively, we did a really good job on them, and it paid off for us.
Yeah, so with Bloomsburg, I know it was a long time ago when you beat them over there, but what are they present?
Well, they've got the three-point shooting. They shoot a lot of threes, and we've got to really clamp down on that. And they like to dribble, drive, and kick out to the three, and they play hard, and they're real excited about being in the championship game. I know, and they'll play extremely hard.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. The first half was, I think you were in a different planet or something like that. You were just all over the place. Like the offensive rebounds and with the trees and banks in a three.
We wanted to win the game, so we all had a lot of heart. So just playing my hardest.
So one of the best first halves you've had. 17 points, I think. A couple steals.
I don't even know. I was just playing. Like I just wanted to win. We came out ready to play.
Yeah, and they made a little run at you in the second half, and then I think when Darche sort of took over, like she has a tendency to, and but everybody played well, especially in the first half. I think we shot 50-some%. Maybe got a little sloppy in the second half, but that's that happens.
It happens, yeah.
They have a good team.
They do.
I mean, they played you.
They played us
very
hard.
very well the first game, and getting those big leads that just do you think that gives you confidence and blows or makes the other team feel like sort of like down?
Well, they never gave up, so I don't think us having a lead really meant anything. It gives us confidence, but we never give up. We keep playing hard until the game's over.
And tomorrow, you can play Bloomsburg. You beat them before, and but it's a whole new game. And Second Street PSAC Championship would be a first at Edinboro, and I'm sure you'd be proud of that.
Well, they're gonna come ready to play tomorrow, and we're gonna be ready to play too.
Okay. Oh, okay. But yeah, came out there. I mean, everybody was just too quick for Westchester, and they have an athletic team. But I think you just this little spurt of yours just basically put the game away.
Yeah, sometimes I gotta pick my team up when we start missing a lot of shots, and I'll come in and spark them back up and get us to where we need to be at.
And now you've been here. This is your second year. You might get two straight PSAC championships, but gotta go at it tomorrow.
Tomorrow's just like any other day. We gotta go out there, play hard, play as a team, win, and we're gonna win again. Hopefully.